Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about a very powerful hidden feature on your Galaxy Watch Ultra that a lot of people don't really know about, or even if they have an idea about this feature, they don't know the potential of this feature. So I want to tell you exactly what this feature is. So for this we will go in settings on your phone, and here go in modes and routines, and here you will find all of these modes listed on your phone. Now these two modes you would be familiar with if you are a long time Galaxy Watch user, because we used to have sleep mode and theater mode on Galaxy Watches, and we still have these two modes on the watch. So if we go in sleep mode, we'll see we have some sections here on how to turn this on, and you can customize it. But then there are two options here, or two sections here, that are grayed out. You cannot use them. Now if we go on the watch in settings, then go in modes, you will see that we still have the sleep mode and the theater mode. And if you scroll up, you will see this option, sync modes with phone. So now you can sync these two modes with your phone and more. So now let's see what happens when I turn this feature on. You will see here that it is not grayed out anymore. It has become active. So now if I'll scroll up on the watch, you will see all of these modes on the watch as well. So all of these modes have synced up with your Galaxy Watch Ultra or any other Galaxy Watch if you're running the latest software. So now what happens, you can go in any one of them. We'll go in sleep mode. You can customize it, turn it on manually, or you can set it up as a schedule. You want to turn on do not disturb mode, you can do that. And then you have other actions where you can turn on dark mode, and then if I tap on it, you have settings for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So when this sleep mode turns on your phone and you have it synced with your watch, you can select what happens on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. Here we have always on display. You can turn it off if you want. You can turn off raise wrist to wake, or you can keep it on if you want. Previously we didn't have this option. You would just turn on the sleep mode and all of this would turn on. There was no way to turn these settings off. But now you can customize each one of them separately. You can also turn off touchscreen to wake, and you can also mute your watch, or you can set it up on vibrate. And there are even more options. You can turn on grayscale, eye comfort shield, power saving mode, always on display. Control smart things. So you can go in smart things, and if you have smart appliances around your home, you can control them as well. And if that's not enough, you can add more actions. But we're talking about Galaxy Watch Ultra, so we have all of these settings for Galaxy Watch Ultra. You can customize them. And if you go back, you can change the appearance of the phone, but you can now also change the watch face. So when you turn on the sleep mode on your phone, it will sync with your watch, and you can have the option to change the watch face. And here you can go in the watch faces, and you can see that this new dark mode or night mode that Samsung has added to a couple of its watch faces, ultra analog being one of them, I have selected that. So when I turn on the sleep mode on my phone or on my watch, all of this happens on my phone and on my watch, and the watch face becomes this one. So I'll show you right now. If I'll turn it on, it will sync with the watch, and the watch face also changes. And you see sleep mode is on now. So I'll turn it off, everything goes back to normal. So that's how you can customize all of these modes, and you can sync them up with your watch and enjoy some really powerful ecosystem from Samsung. Go ahead and explore all of these modes from Samsung and have fun. That's about it from this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.